Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are making mermaid lanterns. And we're painting them with Americana acrylics and craft twinkles. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make some mermaid lanterns. Americana acrylics come in a ton of different colors, and they're America's favorite craft paint. So pick your favorites, and don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. I'll see you next week.